Axolotls live where the waters flow slow, wriggling tails and a bioluminescent glow. Tiny little legends in a big blue stream, smiling as they star in every dream. Axolotls are awesome, cool and kind, magic in motion, peace in their mind. Look and you'll see how they float and play. Like, subscribe and dream all day. They regrow hearts, they regrow toes, mystery minds that nobody knows. Peaceful swimmers, calm and free. In every axolotl there's harmony. So if you're ever feeling down or slow, let your axolotl energy flow. Like the lake you hold deep, power, shine your joy every waking hour. Axolotls are awesome, soft and smart, healing the